The talk on the street, the US-Israel war against Iran, now is in its sixth straight day. But there's a glimmer of hope. A report from the New York Times suggests that Iranian operatives have indicated a willingness to discuss terms to end the conflict, raising cautious optimism across risk assets. Amidst this backdrop, 1. Oil halts its rally. 2. Bears pause at Wall Street with US equities attempting stability after recent volatility. 3. Gifty Nifty, as of writing, is wavering but trading with a mild positive bias. Our call of the day: despite signs of potential de-escalation, caution is likely to dominate sentiment on any excessive strength, given the lingering uncertainty over how long the conflict between the US, Israel, and Iran may persist. Nifty could waver on sharp intraday rallies, primarily due to India's heavy dependence on oil imports, which remains a structural vulnerability. A sustained spike in crude prices risks reigniting inflationary pressures, widening the trade deficit, weakening the rupee, and slowing economic growth, collectively posing downside risks to corporate earnings if tensions drag on. Long story short, for the day, the good news for Nifty bulls is that downside appears limited, but that said, any excessive upside is likely to be capped as the recent drubbing is suggesting the Iran conflict could have a lasting impact on oil and inflation. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In Wednesday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 8753 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 12068 crores. Sentiments are likely to be neutral for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are fragile, while swings likely. Fano March month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 24,000 and 25,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 21.14 levels. At last check, USD INR, March, has spiked towards 92.19 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th March, is at 1.19 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th February, is at 0.93. Nifty outlook: Nifty may waver in an up and down session. What technicals tells on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 4481. Biggest support for Nifty is now placed at 24,305 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 24,681 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 24,300 and 24700. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 79116. Biggest support for Sensex is now placed only at 78,433 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 80,351 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 78,700 to 79,900. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 58755. Bank Nifty's biggest support is at 57,783 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 60,300 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,200 and 59300. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. The biggest negative over the last two trading sessions at Dalal Street has been the aggressive FII selling, with foreign investors offloading equities worth a staggering 12,048 crore rupees, a clear sign that global risk aversion is spilling into domestic markets. That said, hopes are pinned on Nifty regaining positive footing, potentially taking a cue from a rebounding Wall Street in overnight trade. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Nalco, plus 2.94%, 373 rupees and 50 paise. National Aluminium Company gained after reports indicated that Qatalum, a major aluminium smelter jointly owned by Hydro and Qatar Aluminium Manufacturing Co., has initiated a controlled shutdown of its aluminium production. This development supported sentiment for domestic aluminium producers like Nalco. 2. Larsen & Toubro, minus 4.53%, 3,883 rupees. Larsen & Toubro came under selling pressure as geopolitical tensions in the Middle East escalated following US and Israeli strikes on Iran and subsequent Iranian retaliatory action across the Gulf region. The reaction stems from LAN's meaningful exposure to the region. As of the end of Q3, nearly 37% of the company's order book was sourced directly from the Middle East. 3. Balrampur Chini Mills, plus 7.30%, 491 rupees and 70 paise. Balrampur Chini Mills shares surged in an otherwise weak session, supported by a sharp spike in trading volumes. 4. Shares of hotel companies traded lower as rising geopolitical tensions and a sharp surge in crude oil prices dampened sentiment across the travel and hospitality space. The weakness follows mounting concerns that prolonged geopolitical uncertainty could disrupt international travel flows. Higher crude prices risk translating into elevated airfares, potentially prompting travelers to defer leisure trips, a trend that could weigh on hotel occupancy rates, food and beverage revenues, and overall ancillary spending in the sector. Taj GVK Hotels and Resorts dropped minus 3.45%, 333 rupees, while India Tourism Development Corporation fell minus 3.35%, 479 rupees and 60 paise. The Indian Hotel minus 2.65%, 633 rupees and 75 paise.